Risk. Risk that is an practitioner expresses an inappropriate conclusion when the financial statements are materially misstated. So the auditor, who is a practitioner, who has given a report, that report, that report which he concluded is not appropriate. What does that mean? Not appropriate means, example, the company has done some fraud activities. That is, they have overstated the profit. But actually, if the auditor would have planned properly and seen every vouchers, he would have found that there is some mismatch in the area in sales. That sales have been overstated. Then after the sale has been reversed in the next in March end, the sale has been increased for 15 lakhs. Then after sales return is given in the month of April 30. Why 30 days return policy? They return the sales. That is no money is given because as per the company policy, sale can be given for credit sales. Then after, if they are not satisfied with the product, they can return. For the employee has a policy of getting incentive on the sale basis. This employee has made a higher sale and they stated that we have achieved the target, so they got the incentive. But at the end of the 30th April, this all the sale was fake and they had been closed away. So now question arises. The question is whether the engagement partner who did the audit had done properly or not. That's a misstatement. So not only sales department, expenses would have been overstated or expense would have been understated. Example, there should be a provision for rental expenses. Yeah, accrual concept. Even though expense is not being done, it's going to be done. It's going to be considered as an accrual concepts. Example, April month, March month rent we pay on April because we stay for 1 month and after the month they will on the within the 10th of the month we will next month we will pay the rent. In this case, the company has around 100 offices all over India. Each offices cost around 1 lakh rupees rental expense. So they thought so. Okay, this rent we going to pay in the month of April 10 for the March period. So we don't need to make a provision. If we don't make the provision, the profit will increase by 1 crore rupees. What idea, na? Best idea. 1 crore rupees profit will increase. That is their idea. So they thought so and they didn't make the provision. The auditor didn't even see the provision. Is whose misstatement? This is the misstatement of the auditor. He should see the provision to be seen. 12-month provision for all. Which are the provision he needs to see? 12-month provision. Employee salary, 12 months salary. Electricity bill 12 months. Telephone bill 12 months. Rent 12 months. Insurance 12 months. These are the provision to be made for the financial year. Depreciation 12 months. We made na. Huh. So these are some fixed expenses that to be conducted even though we are not paying tomorrow. The expense has been accrued. This to be checked by the auditor. If he didn't check that, that is a problem in the provision. That's what we said in the engagement risk.